Hello class 10th. Today we are looking after the ozone layer. This ozone oxygen cycle, oxygen atoms are in the three forms: atomic oxygen, oxygen gas O2 and ozone gas O3. Ozone is formed in the stratosphere when oxygen molecules photodissociate after absorbing ultraviolet photons. This converts single O2 into two atomic oxygen radicals. The atomic oxygen radicals then combine with separate O2 molecules to create two O3 molecules that are ozone molecules. Ozone can be destroyed by a function of free radical catalyst. The most important are the hydroxyl radical, nitric oxides, chlorine radical and bromine radical. These chlorofluorocarbons, which can travel to the stratosphere without being destroyed in the troposphere due to their low reactivity, once in the stratosphere, the chlorine and bromine atoms are released from the parent compound by the action of ultraviolet lights, forms the CFCl2. Ozone is a highly reactive molecule that easily reduces to the more stable oxygen form with the assistance of a catalyst. Chlorine and bromine atoms destroy ozone molecules through a variety of catalytic cycles. In the simple example of such a cycle, the main cause of ozone depletion and the ozone hole is manufactured chemicals, especially manufactured solvents, propellants, foam blowing agents, chlorofluorocarbons, HCFC, industrial effluents, all causes the ozone depletion substances. These compounds are transported into the atmosphere, and as you can see, the change in the globe of the earth from 1984 to 1997. Complete increase in the wavelength has caused the ozone hole. Although in 1986 a Montreal Protocol was made in which all the developed countries realized the importance of ozone and decided to maintain the CFC level as low as possible of 1986, which shows in this figure the effect of this ozone is not only in the animals but also in the plants. The leaves, they are changing their colors, causing low chlorophyll content and minimum amount of the photosynthesis and causing less productivity. In case of the human beings also, sunburn, sun damaged skin, cataracts, snow blindness, skin cancer are the major effect due to this ozone depletion. The changes which you can see in case of the ozone depletion, nobody can wants it in their body or wants to have this type of the diseases. Skin cancers, sunburn, permanent marks, and even to the aquatic lives, we'll see they are being affected by this depletion of the ozone layer. Now, after the corona effect, when most of the vehicles are at home, the pollution level has gone down. You can see change in the ozone layer, which is trying to fill up the maximum till this point. Now it is your choice what type of the earth you want. The left and right, both the sides are in front of you. It is by your choice. You can change the scenario on the earth. Stay home, be healthy. Thank you.